Well, good afternoon. Thought I would show this never-ending annoying project. So we have an LG, and I know the model number by heart. LG LFX25978SB /00. At any rate, after ordering two different things on the internet and none of the springs work, this is the area here. So turn the light on there. So the way this whole function works, this mullion closes and then the door closes. We turn the light back off, and then as it opens, right here, see that goes into that little section. So the spring is very important. Can't find the proper spring, so what I did was threw out the old one because I thought I had the correct one, which I didn't. So this is one that's incorrect, and then I started bending it and ended up breaking it. So that's a goner. Then these are two other ones that I purchased. This is an actual one from the factory. And then you can see I've changed it significantly. I'm not even going to tell you what the actual model number is, just in case that leads you astray. So this is the one that works now. So I may not be able to do this one-handed. This goes in there, and this piece goes in there. So you have to lift the door up a little bit. Let's try it this way. There you go. Gotta get it seated. There we go. Then there are these little pieces that fit on here. Oh, I got that one in. Let's try this again. All right. And the final piece will be this one. It's so funny, I did this like 3 times already, and I completely had it in well within this time frame. Not sure what's going on here at all. But it makes for some extremely, there we go, interesting video. Well, hopefully it'll work. And wow, look at that. Finally the saga is over. Oh, still a little squeaking now. Uh-oh. This is one of those times where you say, hey, do you want to continue messing with it, or do you want to just leave it alone? It seems to be seated properly. All the controls are in place. It's literally, if you look closer, it's literally like 1/2 of a millimeter off. I think we're going to leave it. We're taking the caution tape off the door. All right. sure what is squeaking. You can barely make it out, but in the very center of the mullion, it's actually hitting the other door. And if you notice, the doors are not aligned at the top. So we're just going to have to leave it alone and let it squeak a little bit. Maybe it might fix itself.